Um, Hello. So this video is about my assignment 3. So I'm taking programming fundamental course. So this is my last assignment, which is called assignment 3 the final exam replacement. So this is my question. This is the only question for this assignment. So it's about develop a practical application, but there's no restriction to the programmer. That means it's open. We can build anything we want. We can want, and then the requirement is to implement two features. So I take search method and file object. I use these two features in my practical application. So for programming, I use the NetBeans IDE 12.6 version. So this is my source code. And I design like this. I put two buttons and one platform to type, and then this total tar file will read my file. Will read my how many file I put. So here is the space for search. So for this button, I use JFile chooser. So it's very straightforward. Means the file choosing option. So the first button is about browse search perform. Here the button browse search perform. It's about search through our file explorer. Means we know how a searching platform will be in our local PC. Whenever we click something, it will promote our local PC storage and files to view. So in this case also, I use this program to do that one as well. So also date format, I use date format all, text code identify, date format all. Other thing is here I put label directory and also the label total tar. I put long to string, and to read also is to read true or false. So here the next button is about button reaction perform. Button read action perform. So this button is to read. It's mean like okay. It's mean like okay option. To read the file, the text file. Here you can see the Codentify text file, right? In my design, see here my design, I put this one. More than that, more than that, array, I use array. Okay, here is the option. If we found, it will show. If it's not found, I put the program as not found. If the file is in my local PC, it will show exist. More than that. Okay, here I put G option to show a message dialog. That means please input Codentify. So that's all. So now we can see how it works. So this is my design. It's really straightforward. Browse, search for what we want, read, then it will show how many files we have. So now we are going to see I'm running my project. So this is my practical application. Just as I say, it's really straightforward. So the first thing we have to do is browse. When you browse, you can see how it works. So it's like, sorry so it's like from here, just open, okay, just open, and then you can see it's already become 4. Before this was 0, now it become 4. That means in that file have 4 files. So in that file have 4 files. Then it's already read how many the quantity. Now it's about linear search. So I just type whatever I want. For example, my name. So when I click for the read, it will show not found. As per my source code, I already put this information not found. I put the source code for this one. If it exists, it will show exists. If it's not exist, it will show not found. So here I put my name, it show not found. So here I'm going to do is I want to put the input as a file that is already exists in my local PC. So my application will go and find for that file. So here it is. See, T123 exists. So okay, now I go for the file. See, T123, it will read. Next T234. Okay, T234 show exists. Another example, I put 1 2 3. For example, I just put 1 2 3. My file is show T123. So here I put 1 2 3 only. Let's see it can find or detect or not. It will not detect. It's my Codentify to search this input need to put the perfect and valid file name to search. So I put 1 2 3, it cannot search. If I put T123, it will find the file in my local system. So that's how I do the linear search and the read file features. So I put 2 in 1 and combine. So this is how it works. Thank you.